Hello kids, welcome to the YouTube channel of ODA Class. I hope you all are doing really well. So kids, today I have come up with one more topic of Vedic math where we are going to learn fast multiplication using Nikhilam Sutra. Now you all must be wondering that what is this Nikhilam Sutra that you are going to learn in today's session, and after learning that sutra you will be able to multiply this question in just 10 seconds. So are you all ready to learn this trick with me? So give me a one in the chat box fast. So kids, first of all, welcome to the most innovative learning app, which is ODA Class. And why we are innovative, that you will get to know. So kids, you can be the part of this ODA family. Our course, Bridge course, is starting from Monday. And in this Bridge course, you will be getting the 1 week duration class. And during this class, you will be getting 3 maths and 3 science sessions, where the math sessions will be taught to you all with the special technique of Vedic math, and the science topics will be taught to you in very innovative way using mind mapping. Besides that, kids, you will be getting a personal tutor, because here at ODA we follow dual teacher model system. There will be one master teacher and one mentor teacher. Mentor teacher will be there for the doubt support. If you have any doubts, simply connect with the mentor teacher and get your doubts cleared. And you will also get the homework on your app. And besides that, kids, you will also get the test on the app, so that we can know that how much you are able to retain from our program. Besides that, kids, you will also get the books in the form of the PDF for this whole 1 week program. So if you want to join this program of 1 week, so you all can click on this link, which you can see right here on my screen. Once you will click on this link, you will be directed to the Enroll Now option, and you have to complete the payment of just rupees 29. In rupees 29, you are getting all these features. So if you want access to all the features of the ODA class, so make sure you are tapping on the link right now and completing the payment process. Now, kids, we are going to begin with the session. But before that, let me introduce myself. So, kids, I'm your teacher, Srishti Mahajan. I have done my post graduation from Oxford College of Education, and I am master teacher mathematics, and I am Vedic math expert, and I have more than 3 years of teaching experience, and I have taught more than 30,000 plus kids. Now, kids, let me introduce you all to the today's topic. So we are going to learn the Nikhilam Sutra. Then we will learn multiplying numbers closer and lesser than the power of 10. And then we will learn multiplying numbers closer and greater than the power of 10. Now, kids, let us have a quick look at the Nikhilam Sutra. So, simpler way to multiply numbers which are closer to the power of 10, where the numbers will be either lesser than 10 or greater than 10. So kids, let us start with the very first topic, where we will learn the numbers which are closer and lesser than the power of 10. So how you will solve this question 94 times 96. So in order to do that, I will be telling you very simpler steps so that you can do it very easily. So kids, whenever you have to do 94 times 96, so let me first explain you all that what does this power of 10 means. So everybody, power of 10 over here means 10 square. So 10 square means 100. So 10 square can be written as 10 times 10, which is equal to 100. So we are basically talking about the numbers which are lesser or greater than the power of 10. So kids, how you all will solve this question? So let me tell you all. So first you will check that how much this number is less than the 100. So how much is 94 less than 100? Please give me the answer in the chat box, everybody. How much is 94 less than 100? Tell me fast. How much is 94 less than 100? So yes, 94 is 6 lesser than 100. And how much is 96 lesser than 100? So yes, it is 4 lesser than 100. So you must be wondering that why I have put minus sign over here, because we are showing that this number is this much less than the 100. So now what we have to do next? Now let's move to the step 2, everybody. All right. So now kids, what we are supposed to do? Now we have to simply do cross subtraction. So let me show you all how to solve this question. Till now we just checked that how much is the number lesser than 100. So what I did, I checked that 94 is 6 less than 100 and 96 is 4 less than 100. Now what I am supposed to do? I have to simply do cross subtraction. So I will simply subtract 94 and 4. So what do I get? I got 90. Now what is the next step? I will simply multiply 6 and 4 and I will get 24 here, and my answer is done. I hope you all get this trick really well. Even if you didn't get it, so I will be explaining you all more questions based on the similar trick. So I hope you all are ready. Are you all ready to solve these questions with me? All right, so let us begin, everybody. We are solving the very first question over here, 93 times 97. So how will you do that? The step number 1 is to check how much is the number lesser than 100. So 93 times 97. So I will check how much is 93 less than 100. So it is 7 less than 100, right? 93 is 7 less than 100. And how much is 97 less than 100? So it is 3 lesser. Now what is the step number 2? You are supposed to do cross subtraction. So I will simply subtract 93 and 3. So I got 90 over here. Now, kids, you all have a question, right? Ma'am, why you did 93 minus 3? Why not 97 minus 7? So, kids, you can do 97 minus 7 as well. You will get the same answer because 97 minus 7 is also 90. So, you can use any of it, all right? Now, what you are supposed to do? You have to simply multiply these numbers, 7 and 3. So, what is 7 times 3? 7 times 3 is 21 and our answer is done. Do you all get it? Okay, great. Now let's try another question. 98 times 93. Now what you are supposed to do? Again check how much is the number lesser than 100. So it is 2 less than 100 and the other one is 7 less than 100. Now kids, you can do either ways. You can subtract either 98 minus 7 or either 93 minus 2. We have to do cross subtraction, all right? So now kids, I will be subtracting 98 minus 7. So I got 91 here. Now what I will do? I will simply multiply 2 and 7. I got 14 and my answer is done in fraction of seconds. Now let us try 92 times 91 superbly fast. So 92 times 91. So now kids, let us see that who is going to solve it fast. Either you or me. Let's start. So 92 is how much less than 100? It is 8 less than 100. How much is 91 less than 100? It is 9 less. Now what you have to do? You have to simply do cross subtraction. So what is 92 minus 9? So what will you get, everybody? What is 92 minus 9? So we will get here 82 and we will simply multiply 9 and 8. So we got 72 here. So our answer is done in fraction of seconds. Now kids, let us move ahead. All right. So now kids, here I have a word problem for all of you. So let's see that if you can crack it or not. A librarian has to update his library with new books. A book of Vedic maths costs 96 rupees. How much money he needs to spend in buying 95 such books? So he has to spend 96 for one book. So how much it has to spend for 95 books? So what we will do, we will simply multiply 96 and 5. So we have to simply multiply 96 and 5. So what do we get? We will check that how much is 96 less than 100. So it is 4 less. And how much is 95 less than 100? It is 5 less. So what we have to do? We have to simply do cross subtraction. So what is 96 minus 5? It is 91. Now what we have to do? We have to simply multiply 4 and 5. So what do we get? We get 9120 as the correct answer. Now kids, let us move ahead and learn another trick superbly fast. So I hope you all are ready and I hope you all understood this trick really well. Now let us move ahead. Now kids, we will be talking about the numbers which are greater than the base 100. So here we have 102 times 104. So this time the numbers will be greater than 100. Alright, so what is 102 times 104? So step number 1 is to check that how much is the number greater than 100. So 102 is 2 more than 100, right? When I count after 100, it will be 101, 102. So it is 2 greater. How much is 104 greater than 100? So it is 4 greater than 100. Now kids, let us move ahead. This time also, you have to do cross addition. Instead of cross subtraction in the step 2, you will be doing cross addition. You will be simply adding either 102 or 4. You will be either adding 102 or 4, or you can also add 104 and 2. You will get same answer. 102 plus 4 is 106 and 104 plus 2 is also 106. All right. So now kids, see here carefully. The step 1, I hope it is clear to all of you. First, you will check how much is the number greater than 100. And after that, you will be doing cross addition. Now let us move ahead and see what is the last step for this question. So kids, now you will simply multiply the number 2 and 4. You will get your answer. So what is 2 times 4, everybody? So 2 times 4 is 8. But we will not directly write it as 8. We have to write it as 08. Why? Because we are talking about the base 100. Since 100 has 2 zeros, so in our grid we always need 2 digits. All right, so we will be writing it as 08. I hope I am clear to all of you. Please give me a 1 in the chat box if you all get the trick really well. All right, so now kids, let us move ahead and see some questions based on this trick. Now we will be trying few questions based on this trick. So yeah, 105 times 103. So what we are supposed to do? We have to first check how much is the number greater than 100. So how much is 105 greater than 100? So yes, it is 5 greater. And how much is 103 greater than 100? So it is 3 greater. Now, instead of cross subtraction, you have to simply do cross addition. So add 105 and 3. What will you get? You have to simply add 105 and 3. So what will you get? So kids, we get 108. So I will write 108. This is the first part of my answer. Now what is the last step? You have to simply multiply 5 and 3. Okay, so what is 5 times 3? It is 15. Okay, this time I don't have to put 0 because they are already 2-digit numbers and our answer is done. Now let's try one more question based on the similar trick. 102 times 109. So 102 times 109. So how will you do that? Simply check how much is the number greater than 100. So it is 2 greater than 100. And this is 9 greater than 100. Now what you have to do? You have to do cross addition. So what is 102 plus 9, everybody? So it is 111. Now what you have to do? You have to simply multiply 2 and 9. You will get your answer. So 2 times 9 is 18 and our answer is done in fraction of seconds. I hope kids you all are enjoying the session and learning something new. Now, kids, let's see that who will solve this question fast, either me or you. Now, we have to do 105 times 107. So, kids, I hope now you all remember the steps well. First step is to check how much is the number greater than 100. So 105 is 5 greater than 100. 107 is 7 greater than 100. Now what you are supposed to do? You have to do cross addition. So what is 105 plus 7? So it is 112. Now what you have to do? You have to simply multiply these over numbers which are 7 and 5. So what is 7 times 5? It is 35 and our answer is done. So kids, I hope you all enjoyed learning these tricks with me. Now I have an application based question for all of you. So let's see if you all can do it or not. A rectangle of length is 108 meter and its breadth is 101 meters. Find the area of rectangle given. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what we have to do? We have to simply multiply the length and breadth. And you all know the Nikilam Sutra, right? So you all can do this question in fraction of seconds. So are you all ready to do this question with me? So let's begin. All right. So let us try solving this question superbly fast. All right. So we have 108 times 101. So what is the step number 1? Check how much is the number greater than 100. So it is 8 greater. How much is 101 greater than 100? It is 1 greater. Now what you have to do? You have to do cross addition. So what is 108 plus 1? It is 109. Now you have to simply multiply the remaining digits, which are 8 and 1. So what is 8 times 1? It is 8. But as I told you, whenever you get a single digit, you have to always put 0 with it. You can't simply write it as 8 because we are talking about the base 100. So kids, I hope you all enjoyed learning these tricks with me. And if you want to learn much more like this, so you all can join our platform, which is ODA Class. You all can install this app from the Google Play Store. And we are the most innovative edtech. This is not declared by us. It has been declared by Hindustan Times itself. And why we are innovative, that you will get to know once you will join our platform. So how you can join our platform? You can join our bridge course program, which is starting from Monday. The duration of this bridge course program will be 1 week long, and during this program you will be getting 6 sessions, that is 3 maths and 3 science sessions, and you will be taught in the most innovative way. Besides that, you will get a personal teacher because here at ODA we follow dual teacher model system. You will get one master teacher and one mentor teacher. The master teacher will be taking your live classes and the mentor teacher will be there for the doubt support. If you have any doubt, simply connect with the mentor teacher on their personal numbers and they will clear your doubts immediately. Besides that, kids, you will be receiving your homeworks on the app. You don't have to find your homework anywhere else. And there will be tests on the app itself. These tests will be just to know that how much you have learned from this 1 week long program and how much you are prepared, and on the basis of this test we will be preparing your progress reports as well, and you will also get the books in the form of PDF for this entire 1 week course. So kids, if you all enjoyed my session and you think that you should be the part of ODA family, right now in your description box down, there is one link. Fast click on that link in the description box. Once you will click on that link, you will be directed to the Enroll Now option. You have to click on that Enroll Now option and complete the payment of just rupees 29. We are offering this 1 week long program for just rupees 29 for the kids who are attending our sessions on the YouTube channel as well. So please do enroll right now and book your seat because very limited seats are there. So kids, besides that, let me tell you one more amazing thing about our app. You can learn and earn at the same time. Now you must be wondering that how will you earn? So here at ODA, we give rewards to the kids and those rewards can be utilized at the favorite place of all the kids at ODA class, which is ODA Mall. So you can purchase various items like smart water bottles, smart watch, smart soundbar, and smartphone using these coins. So kids, if you all enjoyed my session and you all want to be the part of ODA family, make sure you are clicking on the link right now and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, kids. Take care. Bye, all of you.